Hello guys, for today's video guys, magluto na po ko o gulay guys. Ito guys oh, gulay. Ito guys, saluyot guys, saluyot. Alam niyo ba itong saluyot guys? Then, kamunggay guys, malunggay guys. Malunggay. At saka, kamuti guys. Okay. At saka, sago ng gabi guys oh. Ito guys. Ito ang iluluto ko ngayon guys. Yan guys. Yan guys ha. Yan guys. Sayang kamunggay guys kasi walang ulam guys. Ito muna yung ano natin guys. Ulamin ngayon. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys. Simple guys, lulutuin na natin guys ang ating lagyan natin ng pizza ulit para masarap. Simple guys, masarap to guys, may pizza. Hutan guys, yung gulay yan.